So I saw that you can make a blizzard in your mixer, and I have to try. This is the best cup I could find. I was not prepared for this. Should we try the drop test? You can even see. Look at that. So I was thinking, for like the fudge core, would fudge work? Yeah, this is my jar. Don't judge me. So I'm gonna put some cold hot fudge, cold fudge, in this. Okay, guys, this isn't pretty. But look, I got some cold hot fudge in there, and top it with a little bit more ice cream. I'm sure somebody out there can do this way more justice than I can, but it's the idea. It's the idea. Topped it with more ice cream, put some crushed Oreo on top. Not pretty, but I bet it tastes so good. My husband, he's like, what is this? And here's mine. Let me try it, because I bet it's good. You guys, that's